Today we'll talk about how can you enable Elliptic on your Star Workshop. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down, you click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on settings. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to Ecliptic here. Then you click here in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean here Ecliptic here enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable this sign here. So just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.